Are you looking for the best oscillating ceiling fans? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best oscillating ceiling fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Craftmade BW321AG3 Ceiling Fan. The Craftmade BW321AG3 Bellows 3 is an outdoor ceiling fan that comes with a 3-speed handheld remote and wall control for convenient use. The fan has 3 steel blades that provide a powerful airflow of 2025 CFM. And features a dual-mount design that makes it easy to install on a flat or angled ceiling. It also has a 90 degrees tilt and 360 degrees fan head rotation. The fan is ETL approved for damp locations and is made of silicon steel with an aged bronze textured finish. Number 2. Sunny Hawaii 360 Ceiling Fan with Light. The Sunny Hawaii 360 degree oscillating ceiling fan with light is a modern, low-profile flush-mount ceiling fan with an intelligent 360 degrees rotating oscillating leafless design. It features an upgraded DC motor that is quieter and has a larger airflow than traditional AC motors. The fan comes with a wall switch and handheld remote control for convenient operation. It also has 6 wind speeds, 2 hours and 4 hours timing settings, and a dimmable LED light with 3 colors to choose from. The fan's energy-saving and eye-protecting LED light source provides soft, non-glaring light that is eye-friendly. It is easy to install and comes with a 1-year guarantee. Number 3. LEDIARY 20-inch Ceiling Fan and Remote. LEDIARY Ceiling Fan is a modern and elegant fan with many features. It has oscillating fan blades that can move air anywhere in your room and increase the airflow 3 times wide. The powerful and quiet DC motor has 6 speed options, and it is highly energy efficient. You can control the fan and lights separately with the remote control or the app control. The dimmable and color temperature changeable LED lighting has many options to customize brightness and comfort. In addition, the product comes with a 2-year warranty. With LEDIARY Ceiling Fan, you can enjoy a comfortable and personalized airflow and lighting experience. Number 4. Profile Ceiling Fan with APP Control. The ASICO Low Profile Ceiling Fan is a modern and functional 19 inches bladeless enclosed ceiling fan. With an upgraded oscillating feature, the 360 degree rotating LED ceiling fan can direct air to every corner of the room. With 6 wind speeds and reversible wind direction, it can be easily controlled via remote or app, with functions such as stepless dimming, 2-hour timer, and night light mode. The low-profile design makes it easy to install, and mounting hardware is included. ASICO also offers lifetime service support and a 12-month warranty. Number 5. Profile Ceiling Fan with APP Control. The ASICO Low Profile Ceiling Fan is a modern and functional 19 inches bladeless enclosed ceiling fan. With an upgraded oscillating feature, the 360 degree rotating LED ceiling fan can direct air to every corner of the room. With 6 wind speeds and reversible wind direction, it can be easily controlled via remote or app, with functions such as stepless dimming, 2-hour timer, and night light mode. The low-profile design makes it easy to install, and mounting hardware is included. ASICO also offers lifetime service support and a 12-month warranty. Number 6. FCTWAKS Bladeless Ceiling Fan with Light. The FCTWAKS Bladeless Fan is a modern, low-profile ceiling fan with a bladeless design that makes the room feel more spacious. It features a 360 degrees oscillating function that can guide air to every corner of the room, improving air circulation and allowing you to adjust the wind direction at will. The fan has a quiet reversible DC motor with 6 wind speed modes and a reversible wind direction that helps circulate airflow in winter and forward breeze in summer. The fan is also smart enabled with both remote and app control, allowing you to easily adjust settings such as dimming, timer, and night light mode. The enclosed minimalist design makes it easy to clean, and installation is simple with all mounting hardware and instructions provided.